Good morning children, how are you doing? This is your maths teacher Rajlakshmi Desai. Today we are going to discuss about collinear points, concurrent lines, and at the last we are going to solve some questions from worksheet number 1. Children, before going to the topic, let us see what we have discussed earlier. First is intersecting lines. Two lines which meet at a point are said to be intersecting lines, and the point where they meet is called as point of intersection. Then two lines in a plane which do not meet anywhere are called as parallel lines. Children, let us see now collinear points. You can see I have drawn 3 points in this box, and these 3 points are A, B, C, and one more box you have that in the points are P, Q, R. If I want to draw a line passing through these 3 points, you can see that these 3 points are lying on the same line. But in the second case, if I draw the line passing through the points, you can observe that one point P is left over. So here the points which lie on the same line are called as collinear points, and the points which do not lie on the same line are said to be non-collinear points. Here A, B, C are collinear points, P, Q, R are non-collinear points. The definition says that 3 or more points in a plane which lie on the same line are called as collinear points. Next we have concurrent lines. Children, as we know, if two lines meet at a point, then they are said to be intersecting lines. If I pass more than 2 lines passing through a point, then those lines are said to be concurrent lines. Here you can observe that there are lines Q, L, R, M and N which are passing through the same point O. So these lines are said to be concurrent lines, and the point where they meet are said to be point of concurrence. Children, let us now solve the problems from worksheet number 1. In the given figure, write all the pairs of parallel lines. Here you are given the figure, and you can see that there are lines L, M, N, R and T. You have to write all the pairs of parallel lines. As you know, the parallel lines are those which do not meet anywhere. Here L is parallel to M, M is parallel to N, and L is also parallel to N. Question number B. The lines whose point of intersection is E. Line L and line R are meeting at a point G. You can take one more line pair here, line R and line N. Line R and line N are meeting at one point, that is E. So the point of intersection should be E here. So line N and line R meeting at the point E. One set of 4 collinear points. As you know, collinear points are those points which lie on the same line. Here on the line T, point A, B, C and D are lying on the line T. So these are the set of 4 collinear points. Any 4 pairs of intersecting lines. Here I have taken LR. LR are the 2 lines, and these 2 lines are intersecting at point G. Then you have L and T. Line L and line T are intersecting at A. Line M, line R intersecting at F. Line M and line T intersecting at point B. Point of intersection of lines M and T. Here the lines M and T are meeting at the point B. So the answer is point B. Then you have the point of intersection of lines R and T. This is line R and this is line T, and these two lines are meeting at a point D. Then in the given figure, name the lines concurrent at point A. Here you are given the figure and which are the lines concurrent at point A. Here you can see line N, line R and line M are concurrent at point A. So the answer is N, R and M. All the sets of collinear points. You have to mention all the sets of collinear points. One of them is A, F, B. Here you can see, children, this point A, point F and point B are, these points are lying on the same line N. So these are called as collinear points. Then lines concurrent at point G. Which are the lines concurrent at point G? Here line P, line Q and line R are concurrent at point G. The point of intersection of three lines L, P and M. These three lines L, P and M, where do they meet? L, P and M. These lines are meeting at point C. So point C is the point of intersection. All the points that lie in this plane. Here children, you have to mention all the points A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Two pairs of intersecting lines. Here I have taken P and N as one pair. Line P and line N are intersecting at point F, and one more is line R and line L. Line L and line R are intersecting at point D. Then you have in the figure, name the lines concurrent at D and B. The lines which are concurrent at point D are L, N and M, and the lines which are concurrent at point B are line L, line Q and line R. And the last one is point of concurrence of lines AD, AB and AC. Line AD, line AB and line AC are concurrent at point A. Children, till now we have discussed some of the problems from worksheet 1. Hope you have understood. Thank you, children.